Hi, I'm Milana. I'm from Israel and I'm a fifth-year medical student here in TMA. I feel like our supervisors in the hospitals are playing a main part in our education, especially because they're so warm to us and just they're there for everything you need. If you're willing to study and if you want to get anything, any type of knowledge, they're there, even not in the hours that we're in the clinic. So we always can text them, write them, ask them questions. And to my mind comes two actually doctors that we were studying with, which is Irakli in ENT and Aftandil. And I'm a student that asks a lot of questions and they know me by that. So I remember even when I was assisting a surgery and I was like noticing something and I was like, oh, it's taking more time because it's like the only time he told me to be quiet was during a complicated surgery. The only time, because usually he's like, oh yes, ask away, ask away. I was like, maybe it's a stupid question. And they were like, no, ask away. We'll have all type of questions. And the only time he was like, please, Milana, not now. And then afterwards he comes to me and goes like, yes, now you can talk to me. What was the question? So I love that about the teachers here. Because as I said, because of the warmness and everything, I would say feelings would be warmness. And one word would be family, because they wrap you up here. I mean, both in the faculty and in the clinicals. They wrap you up here like you're part of their own. And it makes you feel so warm inside, and which is so important in medicine, because usually when you think about medical school, you think about the coldness of the hospitals and everyone for their own, and nobody is there for you. And here it's completely the opposite, which so nicely surprised me. And I love it here.